Okay guys, today we're going to do a Attax extra and these packs are stacked. And I don't know why my dad has a band-aid on his finger.
Because I cut it.
Oh yeah, I remember. It was last night.
Yeah.
So if you guys are on my Minecraft world, just log on and I'll be there. I'll be there and just write something in the Minecraft world and I'll see you in there. But once I enter the world, you say something to me. Okay, so last video we did only 2 of the extra packs. So this time we're doing 6.
Whoa.
But nothing else. Really. Let's open the pack and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna go play Rocket League today.
You're a nutter.
Yes, pack opening. Pack open. 1.
Whoa, straight up, you got platinum. Oh my god. Marshmallow delivery. Okay, you gotta slow down a bit, mate, so I can actually see the cards. So you got a platinum. That's a pretty good start.
Yeah.
Right, next pack. Okay.
I'll be a little bit a while.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm back. So ready for the next pack?
You've had your warm milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
How old is he? He is old as
What are you talking about?
as 100-year-old.
I don't know what you're on about.
What? I just pick up 2 cards. Continue. Whoa! What is this?
I don't know.
It's a squad update. So,
Share it with everybody.
Guys, so tell me what a squad update on a Match Attack extra card is. So, because I don't know what it means. So,
Well, we're going to find out.
This looks like Michael Jackson.
That looks nothing like Michael Jackson. What are you talking about?
Why?
Michael Jackson. Hey, it's the 100 Club. It's a good one.
Kings of Europe.
What else you got?
The final card. Knockout Master!
That's cool.
So guys, we're just opening the next pack. Look.
Anytime today, mate.
I don't care. Stop.
Oh, you got it open. I thought I was going to have to cook dinner and get ready for breakfast.
Oh, another squad update. You might have to tell me. Ooh, beep, 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 beep. Rack. Flack. Dark What?
What are you talking about?
Spider-Man came in like a wrecking ball. Came in like a wrecking ball.
These are cool inserts. Uh-oh. What have you got? What have you got? What have you got? What have you... No way. If you've got what I think you got, put it down. What's that?
His name is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. It's a different one though.
Ronaldo.
It's a different one though.
Next pack opening. Pack fold. Pack opening. Pack opening. Pack opening. A soccer pop. Official match ball.
Oh, that's cool.
Bobby. Boba.
Slow down, slow down.
We gotta hurry. What the heck?
Got what?
We gotta hurry this bit.
Why? What's the rush? What have you got?
Check under the table though.
I'm not going to look under the table. Just put it on the table. Oh, a shield. That's
shield?
sick.
Next pack opening.
What else did you
Beep, 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 beep. Holden. Ow. Ooh. Puppy. Boba.
get? Okay.
Tapo, Jackie, cool. Another hold. What the heck?
That's a cool looking one.
Now, next pack. And this is our last pack only. So, guys, if you look at me, my dad has no pajamas on right now.
What?
He has clothes on because he doesn't have pajamas. And guess what I just changed to? Like when I got up at
Minecraft
bed.
clothes.
Yep, these are out clothes. So ready? This is the last pack, guys. We better be honest. There's a Ronaldo Hall of Fame, or there's a different one.
Can't get a Hall of Fame every time you open packs.
Howie. Ooh. Oh. Guys, one of my videos only has 7 views, so I don't know why. But there was a lot of views on that video. What is this?
I don't know. Give me a look.
What is this?
Pass it here.
I
Let's
just
have a
need to
look.
go tell my mum. What is this? And what's this? We got an Ultra MasterCard.
Ultra Mastercard.
Tell me what that is.
I have no idea, but it looks cool.
I am a
All right, last pack. What you
People.
gonna get?
the kings of Europe are the Hall of Fame?
No. They're not.
Yes, they are.
Oh, that's a good one.
Kings of Europe.
Quinton Timber. Purple Parallel. Coconut. And the last card. Alright, that's the end of the video.
Bye, guys. Helicopter, helicopter.